Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with Techbot Solutions. I wanted to ask you, based off of the past couple of days, I feel like I've been getting a lot of positive feedback, but actually read a comment yesterday. And actually, I want to show you what it is that I'm looking at, right? So as the market has been selling off for the past 2.5 weeks, one of my biggest focuses is not just trying to encourage people to start investing in the stock market. Yes, I personally think it's a great concept to understand, but I also understand that it's not for everyone, right? With that being said, it's been kind of like scary the past couple of the past 2 months as the market's been pulling back, especially tech, right? It's been 5 times that the market's been getting rejected. And what I want to show you is by this EMA line, right? We approach it, we get rejected. We approach it, we get rejected. We approach it, we get really close, we get rejected. We approach it, we get rejected. We approach it, we get rejected. 5 times, right? In the past 2.5 months. So as we began to approach it this current time, my videos were not telling people to not buy, right? My videos were reminding people that for the past 2.5 months, we have been getting rejected. I feel like with my videos, I try to stay very neutral and very level-headed, and I always try to look out for the beginner trader where they might be getting too excited, right? If you guys go back to the very first video that I made as the market began to indicate signs of a recovery, is I locked in profits early. And then I said, I want the market to recover. I would love to see the market trade above the EMA line for the first time since back in January. This would only encourage me to jump back in at a later time. So I locked in profits early in case it got rejected. But if it does break above, then I do miss out on a percentage. But I can always get back in as we have so much upside potential. And my question to you is, with what we've been talking about with inflation, with interest rates, right? I've been trying to provide you guys with updates as well as with what's going on in Russia and Ukraine, oil prices, the inverse ETFs on how to hedge your positions. I feel like I always try to have, my eyes out for the beginner trader, right? It's not that I try to encourage them to sell. It's not that I try to encourage them to hold. I just like them to be aware of the risk in place, right? Everyone always just talks about how great everything is, and they never take risk management into consideration. I know, right? I mean, we have one of the largest trading groups in the world. I have over 300,000 members that have gone through our Facebook group. I see a lot of the mistakes that they make. And one of the main mistakes is not that they're bad at locking in profits so much, but it's more of that they don't manage their risk. They don't know when to exit if things could potentially get worse, right? They're always prepared for the best case scenario, but never anticipate the worst case scenario. So what I wanted to ask you is, would you guys like me to continue to make those videos where I feel like I make the videos and I try to look out for the beginner traders, but I just want to make sure that my videos come off that way. I might have a specific intention, but the way that I express the message might come off a little bit different. But yeah, just wanted to at least ask you guys what you guys thought, and also update you guys. TQQQ is now finally above the EMA line. It's indicating signs of an uptrend, and we are making higher highs and higher lows. On the 1-day, 1-minute chart, you guys can see that although it's kind of slowing down, it's still super bullish. As quick and as long as it takes for it to sell off, it recovers twice as quick. And that's momentum. That's something that we have not seen in the tech market in quite some time. So tech is still looking strong. We're still in the very early stages, but it's a step in the right direction, and it's definitely progress. So congratulations to everyone that has either stayed invested, or even if you stayed in light, things are looking promising. It's still a little too early for myself to jump all in, right? And all I keep thinking about is, again, I want to jump in, but I have so much upside margin, right? If I can calculate this very quickly for you guys, from where we're at right now, if it were to recover to previous highs, that's 70% ROI. I don't mind giving it a little bit of time to, identify its true direction. So then I feel comfortable going in with, quite a bit of money, right? I tend to trade with a decent dollar amount. I just want to make sure that I don't buy in and then it ends up getting rejected. So you guys can let me know in the comment section what you guys think. I hope that, with every video that I make, I never try to encourage anyone to do anything. I just always try to look out for the beginner trader because I always feel like the odds are always against them, right? They're always just thinking about the best case scenario and never prepared for the worst. And I feel like that's my job on YouTube. For the couple views that I get here, I just want to make sure that you know that everything it is that I share, I try to look out for you in the best way that I can. So let me know in the comment section what you guys think about that. I hope that it earned your thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. Also, friendly reminder, today is the final day for our iPhone 13 Pro giveaway. So you guys can click the fourth link down below or head on over to shoptechbuds.com. And again, today is the last day to enter. It's double entries. So we actually, anything that you buy off of the site, for every $1 you spend, it equals today only 10 automatic entries. So you guys can pick up some of your day trader mouse pads, some of the wall art, some of the flags, Wall Street shirts, or even a trading journal. So again, head on over to shoptechbuds.com if you guys want to enter to win our iPhone 13 Pro giveaway. The giveaway winner will be announced tomorrow. So I really do appreciate you guys' time. I hope that it earned your thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. And if you want to stay connected, I do have a free TechBuds group, Discord group, and that's going to be the first link in the description. So make sure that you direct message me once you join. I'd love to learn a little bit more about you, your goals, and how I can assist you in getting there. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.